welcome to sunny, beautiful South Carolina. So I just edited a vlog and it's currently exporting now. It was yesterday's vlog. And we are about to head down to the beach, get some cute pictures, swim a little bit. So yeah, today's just kind of be like a relaxed kind of day. We go to the beach, go to the pool, have lunch, hang out, all that stuff. So we are currently on the beach taking some super cute pictures. We took some up by the boardwalk. And now I think we're gonna do some by the water. My camera battery's dying though, which stinks. Side note, some point during this trip we're gonna transfer from normal vlog camera to phone vlog camera. I did not bring the right charger for my vlog camera, so that stinks, but I'm at full battery right now, so hopefully it'll last most of the trip. Because I hate vlogging on my phone because it's like not stabilized at all. We're just gonna keep taking pictures. Hello guys, so we are back in the room and now is there a reason you're watching me? We were downstairs at the pool for a while and we just kind of hung out, and now we're all showering and getting ready. I might be going jet skiing today. I don't really know what the plan is, but we're definitely going to go out to lunch. I've got a snack though. I've got some watermelon that I'm going to eat now on our little deck area. It's very, very mean. This view is so pretty. So yeah, we've just been hanging out. And I'll talk to you guys later. So we're currently at this little restaurant. We just went shopping and got some stuff. And now we're going to get lunch because we're all starving. So we're currently at this restaurant and it's so cute. It's like, it's all outdoor. And then the ocean's right behind us. So yeah, we're gonna get lunch and we're all like really hungry, so I'm very excited. So Kate and I got this salad. It looks so good. It's just like a regular salad. And then I got chicken that I've already started eating. And it's so good. Big yard and horses roam around and we're gonna go see the pony. Hey little guy, hey! Hello! Hi!
Oh my.
Hello buddy! Hi! You're cute! Aw, he's so cute! Aw.
Look, you got any food for me?
Aw.
Okay, you'll get it.
Big.
Oh.
It looks like Hallis when it sleeps. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Look at this little pony.
Pony.
Hi, pony.
Hi, pony.
We should have food.
Hello.
I've never seen a black llama.
Llama. Hey, goat. Hi. Hello. Do you think I have food? Hello. You're cute. How do you have ticks? Oh look, he does have, it looks like he does have ticks. Hi. Hello, funny guy. Aw. Hello.
Hi.
That's my hand.
We have no food.
Sorry, no food to give. Oh, the sheep. I love the sheep.
The sheep.
Oh. Hello. Hello. It's so cute. You want one, Mom? I'll take one. Look! Hey, I'll call you. I don't know what. Oh, he's all night. Look at how cute he is.
What do you have to do?
Hello! Hey!
Cute.
Hey, buddy! You're so cute. Hey!
Hi, how are you?
Hello! Hello! Aw, they're so pretty. Aw, they're sharing.
This is what Katie's all about right here.
Hey! He's so cute. Look at his little tail.
It's like choking me. Ready?
You're right, the one you were getting rain.
Punch buggy, no punch back. Hey guys, vlog takeover by Katie. So OTD, I got my hair in braids with a hairband and this awesome cute shirt that I got from Old Navy. And I also got these cute shorts. Go check them out at TJ Maxx. Comment down below if you shop there, because I do. Vlog takeover by Katie, part 3 or part 2. Now, wandering around Hilton Head. It's been an amazing vacation. I never wanted to end. What? Awesome.
Woo! Family trips to Kroger.
Now we're going to Kroger or Kroger. Comment down below what you think it is. Wow, we've been having the best time of our lives. Comment down below if you've been to Hilton Head. If you haven't, you're missing something in life. Going into Kroger. Yeah, we're just gonna explore. So, yeah, the day.
Sign there. You want your phone or not?
No. So this is our van. It's like so cute. And like I love it. That's the whole view of it. Yeah, so now we're going to Kroger to get some things. Maybe get some Starbucks. So yeah. So we first went to Kroger and we got some taffy. Not.
And a Kit Kat.
And
We went to Kroger.
yeah, we went to Kroger.
Welcome to Kroger.
And it's where you have to guess what kind of taffy it is. I will be giving it to her, and she'll be giving it to me.
Hey guys, so it's been a really long time since I vlogged. I think we were like in the car, but basically we went back to the hotel, chilled for a little bit. We sat by the pool and stuff like that, and then we got ready and changed, and we are in Harbor Town again tonight. We went to Popeyes. We're gonna go see Greg Russell again, and then tonight we're just gonna kind of like walk around a little bit, because everything was closed by the time we got out of Greg Russell last night. So we're gonna do that tonight, and yeah, it's super nice outside. It's so